Okay, so I'll rub the point number 1 and 2 now, okay? Alright, so after statement number 9, then the 10th one says 280 into 60 upon 210 is equal to PQ. 1 0 gone, 1 0 gone, 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 7 1s are, 7 40s are. So therefore, PQ is equal to 80 units. Okay, PQ is equal to 80 units. Now, same way we are going to find the others. Okay, understand the explanation overview first. Just concentrate here. Concentrate here and understand the explanation first. See, we have got this as the figure, right? What are the things we are given? We are given that this line, this line, this line, this line, they all are perpendicular to line SP. All of them are perpendicular to line SP only. Alright? Now, if all of them are perpendicular to the same line SP, then each line is going to be parallel. Yes? As I said, statement number 1, this is perpendicular, this are perpendicular to each other given. What is the reason for the first one? Given. Second one, since they are perpendicular to the same line, then each one will be parallel to each other. Okay, that is the second. SB parallel to RC parallel to QB. Parallel to QB. Clear? We took first 3. Just make this correction. We took 3 here. 3 parallel lines. So you have to mention which are the 3 parallel lines. We mentioned only 2. That is not correct. You have to mention all the 3 parallel lines. So 1, 2, 3 parallel lines we took. We applied this property. Then alternate 2. Now we are selecting the other 3. So which are the other 3? 1, 2, 3. So this is common, and then we take these 2. Clear? So first we took 1, 2, 3. Now we are taking 4, 5, 6 like that. Right? So similarly, taking 4, 5, 6, you can prove RQ upon CP is equal to QB upon AB. Clear? This is similarly. Similarly means exactly 2 steps will get repeated. These 2 steps will get repeated. So we are not repeating the steps, we are saying similarly. Alright? So similarly, RQ upon CP is equal to QP upon AB. Now, transitivity. Look at 4 and look at 5. So from 4 and 5, by using the property of transitivity, we can say this is equal to this is equal to this. A congruent to B, B congruent to C, then A, B, C, all 3 are congruent. So we have used 4, 5 and transitivity. Now, equal ratios, all these 3 ratios are equal. So I can apply the property of theorem on equal ratio. I can apply theorem on equal ratio. When I apply theorem on equal ratios, I will add all the top, then I will add all the bottom, and still the answer will be equal to each ratio. Still the answer will be equal to each ratio. Right? So same SR upon DC I will get when I add up and I add down. Same RQ upon CP I will get if I add up, if I add down. Same QP upon AB I will get if I add up, I add down. Clear? That is the theorem of equal ratios which we studied last year. Clear? Ratios and proportion chapter. Okay. Next. Now, what is SR plus RQ plus QP? SR plus RQ plus QP. How much? What is that? 280. So this we are given. So now this we are given. Given and S dash R dash Q dash P. S dash R dash Q dash P. So this is the reason. So the reason is given and S dash R dash Q dash P. These are collinear points. So if you add them, you will get SP. When you add all the 3, you will get SP. That is because they are collinear. So you have to write that S dash R dash Q dash P. Okay. Now what happens? This total is 280. DC is 80, this is 70, this is 60, so that comes here. We will take PQ, first we will find this one. First we will only find this one. One by one we will find. So first we'll take this ratio, we will get one answer. Then we'll take the another ratio, we'll get another answer. Then we take the third ratio, we get the third answer. Clear? So first we are taking only this one. So we take PQ upon AB. AB ka value we know 60. AB is 60 we know. PQ we don't know. That's what we have to find. Now cross multiply. 280 into 60 upon 210. Cross multiply. Cancel whatever cancels. You get PQ equal to 80 units. Alright? So PQ is equal to 80 units you have got. Now to find out others, what will you do? You will say same 280 upon 210. See, you will start from here. 280 upon 210 equals to, this time now take another ratio. SR upon DC. So SR we don't know. DC we know. Where is DC? 80. So DC we know 80. So SR upon 80. Cross multiply. Cancel whatever cancels. You will get SR. Clear? Then third ke liye again 280 upon 210 equals to, take the third one, RQ upon CB. RQ upon CB. CB we know 70. Cross multiply. Cancel whatever cancels. And then you will get RQ. So one by one that way you will get. Clear? Now finish it. Now I am rubbing this part and I will go ahead now. So this is statement number 11. Now statement number 12. Also 280 upon 210 is equal to the next ratio SR upon DC. SR upon DC. Therefore 280 upon 210 into DC is equal to SR. How much is DC? DC 80. So you can say here SR upon 80. SR upon DC is nothing but SR upon 80. Next. Now we will say, therefore this cancels with this. Then 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. Clear? So what do you have? You've got 40 into 8, which is 320. So SR is equal to 320 upon 3. What is 320 upon 3? Just divide it and see. So 1s are, then 2 means 0, 20, 6 are 18, point, remains 2, right? So becomes 20. So 6 are 18, again 2, 6 are, again 2, 6 are. So I will say therefore SR is equal to 106.67. Correct up to 2 decimals. You have to write correct up to 2 decimals. So go up to 3 and then round it off. Since this is greater than 5, you will increase 1 in the previous place and stop. Clear? So that is called correct up to 2 decimal places. So SR we have got 106.67. Now what we will do? We will go to the other ratio. So this is 12th one, we will say this as 13th one, now we go to the 14th one. So 14th one again we will start from the same, 280 upon 210 is equal to, now the third ratio, RQ upon CB. RQ upon CB, which is equal to RQ upon, we know CB is how much? 70. So this is from 8. This also from statement number 8. Okay? Both are coming from statement number 8. Now, therefore, 280 into 70 upon 210 is equal to RQ. Same way, cancel whatever cancels, and then you get your answer. Okay? 7 1s are 7 3s are. So therefore, RQ equals to 280 upon 3. What is 280 upon 3? 28. 9s are 27. You have got 28 here. So 9s are 27. Then 1. 1 and 0, 10. 3s are. Right? So remains 1. Again 3, 3. It will go on 3, 3, 3, 3, right? 3, 3, 3. Now round it off to 2 decimals. So this is less than 5. Less than 5, nothing will happen. You have to keep it 3 only. You cannot increase. So therefore RQ is equal to 93.33. Okay? Clear? Acha, this is from 7, not 8. This is from 7. This is from 7. It is 7, 7. Please correct it, not 8, 8. The one which I rubbed out, it was that one. 8 is this. So you are not using 8, you are using 7 everywhere. Okay, so therefore, how much is RQ? 93.33. Okay, final answer. Final answer. Length PQ equals to so and so. Length SR equals to so and so. Length RQ equals to 93.33 units. And here you got PQ as 80 units. And here this you got 106.67 units. That finishes the problem. Okay? Finish it quickly.
Papa?
Mm-hmm.